She is so beautiful.
Oh no! It's Stella! She is coming this way!
Is that Marcus? Oh my god, it is him! What should I do? Should I say hello?
Every morning, the same thing.
It is hard to watch.
Nothing. Again.
That is day 14.
Team, did you see that? 0 words, no eye contact. They are ruining the romance of our street.
My computer says they walked past each other 61 times this year. 0 talks.
It hurts my eyes. We cannot let this happen. Marcus and Stella are the oldest here. They must show us how to love. That is a lot of pressure, Lily. We must act for the neighborhood. Everyone knows Marcus and Stella like each other. The mailman knows. Mr. Chen's dog knows.
My fish knows too.
But they cannot speak, so we will help them.
Marcus loves machines. He forgets everything else.
Stella is very smart. She knows when we play tricks. Then we must be smarter. Anna and I are team girl. We follow Stella. Richie, Buck, and Ollie are team boy. You follow Marcus. We will push them together! Yeah! Let's do it!
We believe in you, kids.
Please hurry. I am getting old.
Marcus, Stella's shelf is broken. She needs help.
Oh, sure. Wait, did she ask for me?
Yes.
Are you sure? Yesterday, I looked at her, and she looked at the floor.
She is just shy. Go, now. Take your tools.
Okay, little girl.
Oh, Marcus, hi.
Hi, Stella.
Lily said your shelf is broken. I brought my tools. I can fix it.
My shelf? No, my shelf is fine. Nothing is broken.
Oh.
Yeah.
I see. Well, I brought the wrong tools. I need different tools for a different shelf. Okay, goodbye.
Wait, Marcus, I have coffee. He ran away. He actually ran away.
Plan Alpha is a big fail.
That was very sad to watch. We need a bigger plan. We need a party. Put the lantern here, Anna. We need good light for romance. Okay, Lily. Perfect. It looks so pretty. The balloons look great, too. Richie, are you sure you know how to cook?
Of course. Watch this.
The fire is very big.
Don't worry, Ollie. I do this all the time. I am a barbecue master.
Wow! You look very beautiful today, Stella. Your purple dress is so pretty.
Oh, stop it, Lily. Thank you. Now please let me go. I can walk by myself.
No, you must walk with me. Come on, sis, you have to meet him.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh my god.
Oh, hi.
Look, they are sitting together.
What are they saying?
This potato salad is very good.
Mrs. Park makes it every time.
Marcus, tell Stella about the thing.
The what thing?
The thing about
the sunflowers!
Those are Stella's sunflowers. I told Buck they are nice.
You look at my sunflowers?
Yes, they are beautiful.
Every day. I walk past them every day.
Yes! Richie, play the romantic music now! Yes! Richie, play the romantic music now! Buck, get ready to push them!
Oh wow, did you hear that? That's so cute. Get them together.
Push us? Wait, is this a setup?
Oh my god, everyone is watching us. I need to go home.
Wait, don't go!
Richie, you pushed the wrong button.
Oops.
So close.
Yeah, so close.
I ruined the party. I am so stupid.
The whole street knows. This is so embarrassing.
But wait, when Buck shouted about the sunflowers, Stella did not look angry.
But Marcus looks at my flowers every day. He notices me.
She smiled. A real smile. She likes me. She actually likes me.
He likes me too. I am not the only one.
I want to talk to her. But what do I say?
I want to see him right now. But I need a good reason to go outside.
The power is cut. The street is dark.
Did you turn off the power for the whole street?
Yes.
Oh no! Stella! She is alone in the dark. She must be scared. Hold on! I am coming!
Now they have a reason to go outside. And they must use candles. No running away, just romance.
Stella! Are you okay? I thought you were scared. I came to help you.
Marcus, you ran here just for me?
Yes. I wanted to make sure you are safe.
Thank you, Marcus. I am not scared now. You are here.
He ran very fast, like an action movie.
He is a good boy.
I am sorry about the barbecue party. It was crazy.
It is okay. Thank you for noticing my sunflowers.
I notice everything about you, Stella.
Marcus,
Yes?
you can knock on my door tomorrow. For coffee. Without your tools.
Tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning. We did it! Marcus and Stella are together. Mission accomplished. Lily, Richie cut the power. And Marcus ran by himself. We didn't do anything to help. Yes, we did, Anna. Adults are very complicated. Sometimes they are scared of the bright light. They hide their feelings. We just gave them the dark, a safe place to be brave. Wow, that is very deep, Lily. We did a great job. Our work here is done. The bridge of love is open.
Yeah, we did it!
Look at them. It reminds me of my husband. He was very shy, too. It took him a whole year to say hello to me.
1 year? Wow. Marcus is very fast then, only 61 days.
I counted 62, but who is counting?
Today is a very good day for our street.